Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and navigating directly to location or privacy. You need an active connection, so make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on. Otherwise, changes may not sync. Once in location, review current permissions and the account used, because changing location can affect apps and services. Tap the main location entry to enter the editing flow and prepare the new city, region, or coordinates. Take a moment now to back up or record existing values so you can revert if needed. Now you edit the specific fields. Select the account or profile first, since some systems keep per account locations. Enter the new city, zip, or precise latitude and longitude where the interface allows. Use numbers for ZIP or coordinates to avoid ambiguity. Make sure to choose whether apps get precise location or an approximate area, because that controls privacy and battery impact. After entering values, double-check spelling and format, then tap Save or Apply. If prompted, confirm with device PIN. Finish by saving changes and then verifying they took effect. Open Maps or a permission checker to confirm your new location is visible. If the system prompts, restart location services or reboot the device to force a refresh, because cached values can persist. If the location still mismatches, clear the location cache, revoke and regrant location permissions, or sign out and sign back into the account. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling airplane mode briefly often forces a fresh network location update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.